Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can delete your account on Epic Games in 2026 permanently. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if this doesn't work through the Epic Games application installed on your device, you will need to access your account settings here on Epic Games. To do that, simply click into your profile icon in the top right on Epic Games, and from here navigate to account. After that, Epic Games will ask you to log into your account with the associated email address, so do that. And after that, guys, navigate to the settings tab to the left, and here scroll all the way down till you get to delete account. Click into it and confirm by clicking into this button. The account will then be deleted, but in 30 days, not directly, because there's a time, for example, or they give you a time span of 30 days where you can decide to reactivate or retrieve your account, guys. And you will have to 14 days, so 2 weeks, not 30 days, sorry, 14 days, 2 weeks to revoke that request for canceling by signing into your account. Again, if you don't do that, guys, your account will be irreversibly deleted after 30 days. So that's how you do it. Click into delete account here to confirm. I'm not going to do this, so that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.